Hello, good day, Abians. I'm giving you an update to my Muscovy duck backyard farming. Today, I show you what kind of Muscovy duck breeder I have to my Muscovy duck backyard farm. Come on, let's go. This is my 1.5 months old Muscovy ducks. They are all 20 pieces and 3 months old. And I have an breeder here. This my Muscovy duck rooster. And that Muscovy duck rooster, his partner is 3 Muscovy duck hens. This and this. And the 3 Muscovy duck hen is, I don't know where in my 3 Muscovy duck hens they lay her egg here. This 2 pieces. And then this breeding pin, I also have there an Muscovy duck rooster, a big one. And his partner is 4 Muscovy duck hens. They already broody. This have an 16 eggs, and then 13 eggs, and then 15 eggs and 15 eggs. They already all broody. And then this is my future Muscovy duck rooster breeder. This is 6 pieces. All of this is male. That's my 6 months old Muscovy duck rooster, a 3.5 kilogram Muscovy duck rooster. This is also a breeding pin, and they already 1 Muscovy duck hen broody. Her egg is 16 pieces, and this one is already laying, but not broody already. They have 10 pieces eggs right now. And after that, I have also here an brooding pin and 1 Muscovy duck rooster and his partner 3 Muscovy duck hens. So that's the update of my Muscovy duck backyard Abians. And thank you for all your support, and I hope you consider subscribe my Muscovy duck channel, Roderick Cardoque Muscovy duck channel. Thank you for watching.